Hey everyone, welcome back. If Face ID or fingerprint is not working in the BNZ app, here's how to fix it. First, try logging in manually using your password to confirm your access works. Then, open your phone settings to make sure biometric authentication is enabled for the BNZ app. Search for Face ID and password and then make sure the biometric login is enabled for BNZ app. Then, clean your front camera if you're using Face ID and ensure that you're in a good lighting. For fingerprint login, ensure your finger is clean and dry. Then restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Disable Face ID inside the BNZ app settings and then enable it again. Make sure the BNZ app or your phone's operating system are updated to the latest version. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for the BNZ app and make sure that you have updated the app to the latest version. That's how to fix the BNZ Face ID not working. Subscribe for more.